Sa bidyong ito, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-hire ng unang empleyado gamit ang Gusto This 2025 ng walang stress. You're alamin din kung paano mag-setup ng payroll, handle compliance, at pag-onboard ng maayos sa new hire. Ako si Erin ng Startup Wise, narito para padaliin ang iyong unang first hire. So ano ang Gusto? Ang Gusto ay isang all-in-one payroll at HR platform na ginawa para sa small businesses. That means it helps you do three things in one place. Pay your employees, offer benefits tulad ng healthcare or retirement, and stay compliant with state and federal laws. Imbes na gumamit ng mga iba't ibang tool, pwede mong i-manage lahat sa iisang dashboard. Kaya ito yung gamit ng maraming founders sa first hire. Ngayong alam mo na ang gusto at paano ito nakakatulong, simulan natin ang pag-setup. I-share ko ang screen ko para sa steps from payroll hanggang benefits at ipapaliwanag ko kung bakit mahalaga ang bawat part for hiring and keeping a great employee. Kung gusto mong sundan ito real-time, buksan ang Gusto sa ibang tab gamit ang link sa description. Gumawa ng free account and click through each step with me. Ito ang easy na paraan ng pag-hire with zero guesswork. Ang unang step ay ang payroll. Sa Gusto dashboard, i-click ang Run Payroll at clicking, this is the first real action of hiring dahil ang whole point of a job is getting paid. Mahalaga ito because your first employee is trusting you with their paycheck. Running payroll correctly right from the first week tells them na this company is solid, I'll actually get paid on time, and it's the foundation of trust in your relationship. Dito marireview ang bawat detalye ng payroll at adjust as needed ang bonuses or tips. Maaari ka ring gumawa ng correction payment, reimbursement, deductions, or direct deposit. Maaari mo ring baguhin ang methods ng payment kung gusto mo ng iba pang option. Oras ng PTO, double overtime, so it's like double time. Overtime, so a time and a half. Siyempre, ang iyong regular hours. Second step, suriin at i-approve ang lahat ng detalye, kumpirmahin ang amount at isubmit ang payroll. Ipinapakita ng Gusto ang eksaktong ilalabas nito gaya ng oras, salary, mga bonus, mga buwis na ide-deduct at ang kabuuang kukunin sa account mo. Maaari mo ring iselect ang breakdown ng buwis to see more. Think of it like double-checking the cash in an envelope bago mo officially I hand it over. You catch errors before they turn into late or wrong paychecks, and one mistake here can shake an employee's confidence for months. Kaya i-double check ito. Sa Gusto tuwing magpapasahod ka, automatic nilang inaayos at binabayaran ang iyong mga buwis sa gobyerno. Other providers would charge for this, but with Gusto, it is included. Tapos, step 3 is to turn on autopilot. After everything looks good, Gusto lets you turn on autopilot. Ibig sabihin, payroll will automatically run every pay period without you having to remember dates or push buttons. Mahalaga ito dahil for founders juggling sales, product, and hiring, forgetting payday is very easy and deadly for morale. Guaranteed sa autopilot ang sahod ng iyong team, kahit nasa bakasyon or may product launch. Pang-apat, mag-add ng benefits. Ngayon, tungo naman tayo sa benefits. Here you can set up 401, life insurance, and more. Supporting your employees ay mas important, so they also offer comprehensive benefits too. Mahalaga ang sweldo, pero benefits make someone stay. Ang health coverage, retirement, at insurance tells your employees that, hey, we see you building a future here. And that is huge for retention. Panglima, alamin ang summaries ng mga benepisyo. Panghuli, open each benefit tulad ng medical or life insurance para makita kung ano mismo ang included at ang costs nito. Pwedeng mag-enroll ang mga empleyado sa sarili nilang portal. Mahalaga ito dahil transparency builds trust. Kapag nakikita nila ang bawat option at nag-enroll ng paperless, they feel respected and cared for. A clean start like this can keep someone with you for years. Now, let's quickly look over the pricing because this is where most first-time founders get nervous. Meron tayong simple plan, a plus plan, a premium plan, and a contractor-only plan. Ang simple plan ay dating $49 kada buwan pero ngayon ay free na siya. Usually, may dagdag na $6 per person. Kasama na dito ang full service, single state payroll, may unlimited runs, auto tax filing, employee portal para sa pay stubs, at self-service. You also have the Plus plan, originally $80 with $12 per person a month, pero ngayon it is going to be $0 a month since you do get that 3 months free. Dang pinakasikat dahil mayroon itong multi-state payroll, next day direct deposit, PTO management as iba pang HR features. Kung lalago ka ng higit sa isa o dalawang empleyado, sure na sulit i-consider ang planong ito. Panghuli ay ang Premium Custom Plan. This is for larger or scaling teams that want everything. Dedicated support, advanced analytics, and compliance help at scale. Kaya kung nagsisimula ka pa lang, recommended ko ang simple plan. But if you know you'll be hiring across states or want stronger HR support, ang Plus plan ang mas sulit na investment. Plus, you get 3 months free. Bakit swak ang gusto para sa first-time hiring? Pinapanatili nitong maayos ang lahat para hindi nakakalito. Automatic ang payroll at buwis, kaya fewer mistakes. And it grows with you, so when you go from 1 employee to 10 employees, you won't need to switch systems. Para sa founders, that peace of mind is definitely worth it. 7-day starter plan. To make this even easier, let me give you a simple 7-day plan so you can follow to hire your first employee sa gusto. Day 1, mag-sign up sa gusto at ilagay ang detalye ng negosyo. Day 2, i-post ang job listing at mag-interview ng candidates. Day 3, choose your hire at mag-send ng offer. Day 4, add your employee into Gusto with their start date and details. Day 5, walk your employee through filling out their onboarding forms tulad ng tax forms and direct deposit. Day 6, run your first payroll test para sure everything looks good. Day 7, officially run payroll and review the report so you know taxes and filings ay covered. By the end of this first week, you'll have gone from no employees to confidently paying your first hire sa Gusto. So, ganyan ang pag-hire ng first employee in Gusto in 2025. Na-cover natin ang account setup, pag-hire ng empleyado, payroll, at presyo para malaman what to expect. Kung gusto mong subukan ng Gusto, ang link ay nasa ibaba, startupwisetool.com/gusto. Remember, that gives you up to 3 months free, and it's an affiliate link, which means I earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Suporta ito sa channel para sa mas marami pang free tutorial like this. Kung nakatulong, i-click ang like, mag-subscribe at comment. What's the first role you're hiring for ngayong taon? I'd love to know and maybe make a video on it. I'll see you next time. Maraming salamat sa panonood.